looking at, from De La Riva, we made grips on the far sleeve, and then we made grips on the near side collar. Now we're going to play the game De La Riva with the near side sleeve. So again, I could be here, Carl starts to make grips. Maybe I couldn't find that far sleeve or the collar Carl's posturing. So I just make the cross grip. Again, that's 4 fingers on the inside of the grip. I'm kind of just going to pull that to my hip. The second grip I want to make is the ankle, and then I use that distance foot again, so my sole of my foot's pushing on that leg. So nothing really changed. I put in the De La Riva hook again, it's shallow. Just L-shape my foot and put it at the back of his knee. You should be able to see my big toe. Now from there I make the transition to sit-up guard, and as I do that, my goal is to dip and shove Dungannon. And just pick up this leg and force Carl to put his hands on the mat. Okay. And then we're going to look at all the things that we can do from this position. I want to make sure that I'm not carrying Carl's weight. Look at Carl's right knee. See the way it's facing away from me? Carl turns that into me. I'm carrying his weight and I'm uncomfortable. You can even hear my voice strain because I'm holding his weight. I'll be pushing with this foot, pulling up on the ankle, and now I'm carrying no weight. It's effortless from this position. We've off-balanced them, and we can look at all the sweeps and things that we can do from here. Really put the reps in on this, guys, because if you haven't got this set up, the sweeps we're going to do in the next few weeks aren't really going to be much useful to you. So again, playing the game, Carl's probably the pass. He's going to make grips. Maybe I couldn't get far side sleeve. You want to map out your game. If I got that far side sleeve, we were looking at the tilt sweep, which we covered in week 1 and 2. If I couldn't get the far side sleeve, the next best grip I could get was the collar. We looked at how to transition in the De La Riva X. We showed you to sweep them in 3 directions and take the back. But let's just say I couldn't get the collar, Carl's posturing. Out of the 3, this will be the easiest grip to get because it's as close as hand coming. So I just make the cross grip with a hook grip, and I pull this to my hip. Second grip's on the ankle, foot's already pushing. I put my De La Riva hook in and I just sit up. Once I sit up, okay, I'm immediately dipping and shelving. Okay? I want all Carl's weight on his left leg. Okay? And then we're going to show you how to play all those things from there. So, Carl makes grips, I get the cross grip, pull it to my hip. I always want to keep it over my right hip. Left foot is the ankle, right's the distance maker. I put in the De La Riva hook. Now I transition from being flat on my back to a supine position where my back is off the mat. And then immediately from there, I don't want Carl stuffing my leg, doing all this stuff. So the second I get to here, I just get the shaft. 1, is his hands on the mat? And 2, am I carrying his weight? If his knee's pointing towards me, I'll have to push in that far leg, pull up on his lead leg, and turn his knee over there. And then we can look at other things that we can do from that position. Okay.